We're gonna start juicy. Kennedy Cymone, Queen Naija, Rubi Rose, Corierayvon. People. Vlogs, aka the reaction boss, but this is not a reaction, this is a vlog channel. If you guys are new to the channel, which most of you are gonna be new, this is a vlog channel. I have a main channel where I do reactions with over 38,000 subscribers. Go check that out right now. It's the most lit reactions in the entire world, so you gotta go over there. That's the reaction king, don't get twisted. But we're here with a smash, marry or kill video, and we have some YouTubers in there. Now these are some YouTubers who we watch when we're home, we lonely, we bored, we feeling, we just want to get it. You know what? Let's get straight to this video right now. We're gonna smash marry kill. Y'all know the type of video it is already. Y'all see it on YouTube. So let's just get straight to this video right now. Like up the video, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. You understand that the kid is from Jamaica, so the accent might chip in every now and then, but just live with it. Alright, let's see what's popping. First three ladies we got right now. Let's see how it goes. We're gonna start juicy. You ready for this? So the first three ladies, guys, we have, oh Lord, we have Kennedy Cymone, Diera from Diera and Ken, and we have Abby Nicole. Ooh. Okay, so smash, marry, kill, smash, marry, pass. Alright, so I'm gonna pass Diera. Why? We got the same last name, and that's not gonna work. So she gonna get a pass. We all know she's fine, but we got the same last name, and I'm not doing that. So that's a pass right there. Now let's go straight to the Kennedy and Abby Nicole. Shit, what's hard? I'm fucking marrying Kennedy and I'm smashing Abby. Married Kennedy, smash Abby, pass Diera. Only reason why she getting past us because we share the same last name. I mean, we can't do that. Like, no. You my long last cousin. Okay? Alright. Next up. You guys get it, right? Like, we related. Anyways, let's see what's popping. Next up we have Queen Naija. And we have Rubi Rose. And we have Nikki. This is from Nikki and King, right? Yeah, she get the pass. Alright, so we got Queen Naija and Rubi Rose. I'm sorry for all the Nikki fans. It's just like, she's not attracted to me, you understand me? Yeah. She looks good though, don't it? She's not ugly. But compared to the other two competitors, you dig? Now we got Queen Naija. She paid for that ass. We got Rubi Rose. Oh, she loves showing herself off. Okay, throw baby.
Let a young nigga come play in your
why am I singing this song? Okay, let me pull some picture from my phone because you guys seen the photos. I ain't seen them, so let me go bam. And let me see what's up for. So this is Queen right here. Okay. I know we got Rubi. Rubi. I ain't gonna lie to you. Queen's thick. Guys like thick girls. I'm one who don't, for real. And you know, normally skinny guys like fat women, big women, you know, thick women. I don't. That's weird, but I don't. I like being in. Alright, so I'm a smash Queen and I'll marry Rubi. Let's just leave it right there, right? You dig? You dig? Comprende? Okay, moving on. Now we have Let me ask you something real quick. Do you like this video? Like, did you really? Alright, good. Now we have Carmen from Carmen and Corey. We have Bianca from Damon and Bianca. And we have Corierayvon. People! Hi Corey, what's up, baby? You ever been with a Jamaican before? So we marrying Corierayvon. She getting that. Yeah, we marrying Corierayvon. Carmen, Bianca. I'm passing Bianca. Yeah, I'm passing Bianca. I'm passing Bianca. And I'll probably smash Carmen. But Bianca is getting passed. Oh, she's not ugly. That's the they ain't ugly. They're all cool, but nah. I might end up having a baby with Bianca if I smash her or married to her. You understand? It's like every year Bianca's bam, bam, bam. That's good though. Get them kids, girl. I like kids. What are you talking about? Now we... Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. We got something spicy for y'all right now. We have Lala, we have Seven, and we have Play the Clip. We have Chandler Alexis, people. We have Chandler Alexis, we have Lala, we have Seven. How many baby mothers are in this damn video? For real. How many baby mothers do I have in this video? Let's just do a quick max. So, Chandler Alexis, we have I think Carmen has a baby also. Seven has a kid also. Damn, Bianca got numerous kids. Who else is on there? Queen got a kid. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Damn! All these YouTubers are here having all kids and shit. Like, anyways, let me not talk. Let's get straight to this now. So the smash, marry, or kill for these three. We have Lala, we have Seven, we have Chandler Alexis. Lala's skinny. Yeah, she cute. Seven is like, you know, Seven people, she got the flat stomach that all girls need. I don't like seeing it. Her stomach is a little bit too flat for me. She's not ugly, but her stomach is a little bit too flat. It's like, you know, like the wall. It's just a little bit too flat for me though. But I don't know. Then Chandler Alexis, though, she got that little Jamaican thing with her. I don't know if she's from Jamaica or she got some Jamaican relatives. I'm not sure where she's exactly from, but there's a little Jamaican thing with her. I don't know. Let's see. Lala is just a cute face to me. I ain't gonna lie. Seven. Alright, so I gotta do this real quick. So I'll marry Chandler Alexis because she dark skinned. And well, she light skinned. Shit. And I'll smash Lala and I'll pass Seven. Seven is cute. She's good, but like, she's just so sexy, it looks bad. You understand what I'm trying to say? People, look at Seven like in a bikini. You're gonna see her, you know what, or get it out of the way. But it's been a boy Tyre Vlogs. That's it for this video. Let's see if you want some more like this. I got y'all. You understand? I don't know a lot of female YouTubers, trust me. The only persons I do watch, and they don't even post a lot no more. These people right here, but you know, I'm male watching females. I do dig that, I do. But thanks for checking out my video, guys. If it's your first time over here, please consider subscribing to the channel. Support the little Jamaican kid. We're trying to reach big places over here, okay? Check out the reaction channel, guys. I post every single day over there while I'm posting every single day on this channel also. So you might want to check me out because you're missing out on the most lit and entertaining reactions that you would ever watch in your entire life. But it's been about Tyre Vlogs, aka the reaction boss. Where's the merchandise? I ain't got none close by, but peace out. Okay.